Hello and welcome back to video 2 for topic 3, networks. This time we're going to be looking at the importance of standards in the construction of networks, and this is for the IB Diploma in Computer Science. As you can see down here, we're still on the core units. This is the third of 4 units, and we're still on the first topic of networks, network fundamentals, and this is video 2. Okay, so what are we going to do in this video? First of all, we're going to be understanding why standards are crucial in network construction. We're going to be exploring how standards ensure capability and communication between different hardware and software systems, and we're going to be introducing key organizations that establish networking standards. So we need to be able to define the term standards in the context of networking. We need to be able to outline the significance of standards in constructing and maintaining networks, and we need to appreciate the role of compatibility in global communication and networking. So how are we going to do this? Well, first of all, we need to establish what are standards. So standards are established guidelines or specifications designed to ensure that products, services, and systems are safe, reliable, and perform consistently. In terms of networking, standards ensure that different hardware and software systems can communicate effectively regardless of the manufacturer. So if we've got a network that's using Windows software and then it's using iOS for a Mac, they need to be able to talk to each other across the network. The same if we've got one printer and different computers need to print to it, we need to make sure that the driver is consistent and everything works fine, again, across the network. So, standards enable different network devices, computers, servers, routers, etc. to connect and communicate regardless of their origin or their brand. In terms of global communication, by adhering to international standards, networks across the globe can interconnect, enabling seamless communication and data exchange. Obviously, there's consistency. Standards ensure consistent performance and reliability in network operations, making it easier to manage and troubleshoot networks. For example, a small business needs to set up a local area network, a LAN, with multiple clients and servers. Potential issues: without common standards, different hardware, as we've said before, might use incompatible ports or protocols, preventing the network from functioning correctly. A solution: by following network standards, all devices in the LAN can communicate effectively, ensuring a stable and functional network. So, two bodies, two key organizations setting network standards. These are the IEEE, the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, and these are responsible for standardizing various networking protocols, which obviously includes Ethernet, this is the standard for that, and Wi-Fi. Okay, so if you see this logo, you'll know what it's about. Also another one, Internet Engineering Task Force, the IETF, and these develop and promote voluntary Internet standards, particularly the standards that comprise the Internet Protocol Suite, TCP and IP addresses. So, consequences of lack of standards. We've mentioned this before. Incompatibility. Different manufacturers might create hardware and software that cannot communicate, leading to fragmented or inefficient networks. An hypothetical example, a computer that only supports USB ports, a little bit like the new MacBook Pro, and a switch that only supports Ethernet ports would be unable to connect without a series of adapters, rendering the network setup ineffective. So in summary, standards are essential for ensuring compatibility, consistency, and global communication in network construction. Without standards, the interconnected world we rely on would be fragmented and dysfunctional. Okay, so I've got a few exam questions, getting progressively more difficult. For 2 marks, define the term standards in the context of networking. Question 2, describe the role of the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers and the standardization of network protocols. And question 3, explain why compatibility is important in the construction of networks and how standards help achieve it. Again, pause the video, have a go. Otherwise, keep watching and I will show you the answers. So, standards in networking refers to established guidelines and specifications that ensure different hardware and software systems can communicate effectively and reliably across networks regardless of their manufacturer. Okay, question 2. The Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers plays a crucial role in the standardization of networking protocols. They develop and maintain a variety of widely adopted networking standards, such as 802.3 Ethernet and 802.11 Wi-Fi, which ensure that you won't need to remember these numbers, which ensure that devices from different manufacturers can connect and communicate effectively in a network. And then finally, question 3, compatibility is essential in network construction because it ensures that different devices, regardless of the manufacturer, can communicate and work together within the same network. Without compatibility, network devices might use different protocols, different ports or interfaces, leading to fragmented or non-functional networks. Standards help achieve compatibility by providing a common framework or language that all devices must adhere to, ensuring smooth and effective communication across the network. Okay, that is it. It's a short one, this one, a short video, but that is it. I will see you next time for video 3. Thank you very, very much indeed for watching. Bye for now. Please continue to ask questions, leave your comments, hit notifications, and please subscribe. And finally, if you wish to buy me a coffee, I'd be truly grateful. Please visit buymeacoffee.com/learning zone. Thank you very much indeed. See you next time. Bye for now.